Hi everybody, Cat Baloo and I would like to welcome you to the Leash Up Spark Team. We're doing our novice training this month. It's a 28-day course and it's totally free and we're going to have a great time. Remember that at Do More With Your Dog, all of our training methods are positive. We use food, clicker, and a lot of positive talking to our dogs. There is no forcing, there is no harsh punishment, there is no making your dog do anything. The goal is to have more fun with your dog. And I want to thank you for joining me on this adventure. We're going to have a great time. Once you have completed all of your novice tricks and you think you're ready to submit your title, be sure to either upload the video to YouTube or send it to me through Messenger so that I can check it and make sure. At that point, I will let you know that you have completed all of your tricks, and then you can submit to Do More With Your Dog for your trick title. Be sure that when you submit to Do More With Your Dog, you list me, Laura Dela Cruz, and the Leash Up Spark Team as your witness so that we can get that verified, because they will email me and check. And once you've done that, we can move on. Remember, there's other levels: intermediate, we've got advanced and expert, and then you can work on your trick championship. So I'll be using some of my dogs and then using video from other people and from Kira to show you how to do all these tricks. I hope you enjoy it. Again, I want to thank you for joining us, and let's go out and spark some fun with our dogs.